Hello, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new leads from Google Lead Form to Slack. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new leads from the Google Lead Form to other systems. For example, in Slack, you can receive personal notifications about new leads and never miss them. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select one of the sources from which you want to receive new data. In this case, choose Google Lead Form. Now you need to select the system where you want to transfer new leads from the Google Lead Form. In this case, select Slack, Personal Notification. At this stage, we need to connect the Google Lead Form account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, we can give a name to this account or just click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Now we copy the URL for receiving data and go to the Google Ads personal account. Next, go to the Ads Assets section and go to the Assets section. Now select the necessary lead form from which we want to receive new leads. In the lead form settings, go to the Integrations section. Paste the copied URL. Copy part of the URL and paste it into the key field. After that, click Send Test Data. Next, click Save and return to your personal account, Save My Leads. After that, click Continue. At this stage, you need to connect your Slack account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, you need to specify the workspace of your Slack. In order to do this, go to your personal Slack account. Copy workspace without additional characters. Then we log into Slack's personal account through a login and password or, for example, through Google. Now grant Save My Leads permission to work with your personal Slack account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Next, we need to select the user who will receive notifications from the Google Lead Form. Next, you see a text field where you can assign variables from the Google Lead Form. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables, but also manually enter values. If you are satisfied with the preset fields, you can leave it unchanged. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent in private messages to the selected user in Slack for each new lead from the Google Lead Form. If something does not suit you, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Slack. After successful sending, go to Slack and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from the Google Lead Form to be instantly transferred to Slack, you need to enable Auto Update. For this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do it in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.